Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how you can export anything faster in After Effects. So first of all, you have to open After Effects obviously, and here's the text animation I'm gonna export. So first of all, let me show you without the settings, and let's go to export and add to render queue. I'm not tweaking the settings, let's just render this. Okay, it's done and it took like 2 minutes and 16 seconds to render. And yeah, I know I have a low-end laptop, but still it's too much time. So let's just quickly close this, and now let's apply the setting. So all you have to do is to just hold shift button and click on this edit and preferences and general, and make sure you are holding shift. When you see this pop up, then you can release the shift key, and you can see there is a secret option in the bottom left corner. Click on this and disable layer cache and set this value to 2 and done. And let's export the same animation again.